Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Storyjumper to make your own book or magazine. First, you click here. The first thing you see is your front cover. You can pick whatever color you like. You can also choose which pattern you like. And here you write the book title and also your name. The first page you can choose different text boxes from here, like this, for example. It's more interesting, and you can make it smaller or bigger, and you can also add emojis and cartoons, and you have a lot of options. Let's say animals, and you pick this. It goes right here, and you just paste it wherever you want. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can rotate it, and you place it. You can also have backgrounds like this, and you can choose a lot more. Let's say animals. You click search photos, and here you see a lot of animals. You pick the one you like, and it shows itself here. You can also upload photos from your device and use it as backgrounds too. You can collaborate with friends or other people to edit the book or to help each other and do it together. If you have questions and you need help, you can just click the help button and it will show you how to plan your book. Here is how to create it, and it has a tutorial and it's very helpful. You also can share your book, and you can also read other books from Storyjumper. And when you're ready with your book, you just click save and exit, and then you click download. In here you can pick how you want it to be downloaded. You can make it with hardcover, you can make it paperback and get it. You can make it audiobook too, and yeah, that's it. Goodbye.